See my reflection, and we are going to turn on the Nexus One if we can find the power button. Here we go. That is the Nexus One booting up. Sorry about the reflection. It's taking its time. Let's see if we need to press anything. Oh, no, it's doing something. It's doing some flashy graphic there, as you can see, on this very nice OLED display. Oh, I'm just going to enter the pin code, so hold off for 2 seconds. Beep, beep. Okay, there we have the pin code entered. So it's now talking to the SIM card. The screen's gone black. Okay, it does go very quickly, turns. And now it wants me to touch the Android to begin. And now it's going to give me some instructions on how to use it. So begin. So now it's telling me to use the keyboard. I have to enter a and you can see what it's doing there. It scrolls back and forth just like an iPhone-ish. There doesn't seem to be multi-touch on this one, which I believe there is going to be a European one with multi-touch. If we go on next, there we go. Click on the next screen. Setting up. We need a Google account. And now we have to do, if you asking you for your Google account details. So let's sign in with the Google account. So it's now popped up my Google username and password, and a screen has popped up, so I'll just enter my Google username. And now it's got my username and password, and now it's asked me to sign in, and here we go. Now I hope it's picked up the right settings. It should have detected what the SIM was, and there is a signal here. Well, this is taking a while, so maybe we'll leave that to see what's happening. And here's the home screen. It didn't actually take very long to set up the network. That's the but unfortunately it didn't seem to get a mobile data connection, so that's using this is using Wi-Fi, which it connected to very efficiently. So now let's go and see if we can get there's some stuff on the screen there. No, I don't want that, is there? There's Google Talk. That seems to be, oh, maybe that was Wi-Fi. So there's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and that obviously does the syncing. And we can go, what's that? That goes back to your menu. If you press that, there's your home screen button there. You can scroll up. There's quite a few over buttons there. Let's see if we can get into phone settings. Wireless and networks. So let's have a look. Wi-Fi, so let's try Wi-Fi settings. We have Bluetooth, VPN, then have mobile networks. Data roaming, new access point names. So let's try this. Well, here we are. The web browser seems to work, and we're on Google. But it seems to have selected the wrong language because we've gone for Google Suche, which seems to be in German or something. Although their language is selected in English. But if we try and enter an address, let's have a look. So we do have a 3G connection. If we go for the, let's have a look for the. See what it's doing. It's loading something slowly. So a quick thing on the browser, if you double tap, it zooms in, and then you can do double tapping out, and it zooms back out and zooms back in and zooms back out. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Anyway, I will try some other bits. If you look at the home menu, scroll it, that doesn't really go that way, but if you scroll up, it's like a rolling on a big wheel. So that's quite cute. If you look at the top, scroll down, it sort of rolls forward, and also from the bottom there. And the screen's sort of haptic. You can go Marketplace now. Let's see what happens on Marketplace. Taking a while. Again. There we go. So we'll accept the conditions for Android Marketplace. And there we go, and there's various applications that are, you can get them. There's Spotify, which is excellent. We have, unfortunately, have to pay for the premium service for that, and lots of featured applications. So if we do a search, and we'll do a search for Rumble. So there we go, and let's search for it. And we'll press the search button, and there we go, Rumble for Android. And we'll install that one. And there we are. We're downloading it. It's in the background doing whatever it's doing, downloading, and it's managed to get a 3G connection, and it's now saying it's installed. So now if we get out of here, unfortunately you have to sort of press the buttons to get out. So you customize these displays, but let's go back to the thing here, and there is Rumble. That's just been installed, and I'm going to sign in here. So there we have, successfully logged into Rumble on Android, and that's where I was just before I came here and got the phone. So let's click on that. So I can now check in on there. It's actually got a picture of it, and I can check in, and it tells the address of it. It tells me that it's 4.97 miles, which is not quite right, because it's about half a mile, if that, probably in fact less than that. There's a couple of 100 yards. So there we go. But if we check in, thought that I'm not there, read it as, and it's going to publish it to Twitter. So let's see if that works. There we go. It's now sent a check-in to Twitter to say, hello, I'm here now. All I need to do is find a decent Twitter application for Android. keyboard there, finger search. So I can actually, there, if I go in the bottom there, I've popped up I can explore, I can add a rumble, I can look for people. Let's have a look there. So that's one app. Let's go back.